everyone. So when a baby borns with something called as SMA, spinal muscular atrophy, that baby is, the situation is called as a where the cells is missing, gene cells. So when that baby borns, there is only two options for that baby. Either that baby will die, or that baby will remain for a whole life without any kind of a brain kind of a working. So if we see till this time, before 1 year or something back, you can see almost all babies, those who are coming with this SMA kind of a situation, they are hardly enjoying their life. So currently the one drug came in the market, that is called as Zolgensma. That is a single treatment we need to give for babies below 2 years of an age. So what will happen, that particular missing genes, that will be replaced before 2 years of age only. That is a single time treatment. And if you see the cost of that one, we won't go for the cost, that is 16 crore for the single dose for that baby, but we need to give before 2 years. Why I am quoting this particular example is, I am a student of this particular college and I have supported for that particular therapy. So pharmaceuticals. But if you see, we are giving something for the society, at the same time we are supporting for someone's increasing the at least life, or increasing the death ratio, sorry, not increasing, decreasing the death ratio, or improving the life of a particular patient. So if you see the scope of these pharmaceuticals, we also need to understand that I saw many of the Hindi shairis. I am not a good fan of that, but there is one sentence I would like to quote here. What you supposed to work, or whenever you are in a low confidence, we can read this statement. ये भी वक्त जाएगा. At the same time, we also need to understand the same statement in other ways, that when you are more happy, when you got the success, at the same time we also need to recall this particular statement saying ये भी वक्त जाएगा. So this particular sentence is applicable for both the situations, whether you are very happy or whether you are not achieving any kind of a target. So coming with this particular annual limit, I am the student of the first batch, myself Harshanan Swami. I have completed my B Pharmacy from this college itself. Then I completed my M Pharmacy from University campus. After completing my M Pharmacy, I have qualified GATE and GPAT. Why I am quoting this particular example is, we need to compete with ourselves. We need to satisfy what you want to be in your life. So it was not satisfying for me being a student, achieving the academics and not qualifying that competitive examination. When I joined in the industrial, I qualified GPAT, because I also don't want to keep that example that now the GATE is converted to GPAT and I have not qualified that. So what I mean to say is, don't compete with other self, just compete with yourself. That is more important. And if someone is saying something, or if you go into the areas where you can find many of the negativities around you, then that convert that negativity into a positive mindset. If you learn more about the emotional intelligence part, that is the key for your success. If you can understand the situation where people are giving you the negative situations, and you learned how to convert that negative situations into a positive situation, on that day we could call ourselves as a very matured person. And there itself, that is a trigger where you start successing towards your career or your life. So I would really like to give a special thanks to the particular SCOP. You might be you might be calling Basu sir, but we used to call Basu Bahu. So why I am quoting this particular now example is, I hardly paid more than 5,000 fees when I was a student. That was an economical situation, but because of this economical situation, in the whole educational life, till I am a student, I am pursuing my PhD. So in my whole education life, I have not taken a single tuition, because of the family background, or you can call it as economical situation. Why I am trying to quote is, like, as I have mentioned, life is an art of drawing sufficient conclusions from insufficient premises. Whenever I am going in any kind of a situation in my personal life or in my professional life, I used to recall that particular statement, which again gives me a kind of a confidence that yes, now what I am and what I have achieved on my own confidence or on my own shoulders, that is more important than support. I did not got any single job with any reference. Hardly I will share my resume to anyone. We also need to believe in ourselves, in our capabilities. At the same time, academics is fine. We need to have a technical knowledge, but at the same time, now the trend is completely changing if you see the industrial perspective. You might be knowing about the Lambert's-Beit law. But when I'm asking something called as a 10 ppm solution, and if you give me the response at 10 path length or 5 centimeter or 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter, there you people will be lying. What is the reason behind that one? Because practical situations are completely different and the theoretical situations are completely different. That's why I always used to emphasize on the situation called as a college, institute and industrial collaboration. That is more equally important to grow a person. At the same time, he or she should be having that particular practical knowledge. So coming to your own lacking development, we also need to ensure that at the same time we need to each marks will be for the your behavioral perspective. This behavioral perspective is your attitude, your communication, which hardly we are concentrating on this particular part. Your confidence, the way you are expressing. Many times I also personally face this kind of situation, like we are lacking in English something. But when it goes to the interview kind of things, we know everything. Maybe better than the other persons who are there as a competitor for you in the interview. But at the same time, we are lacking for the expression. So why we are lacking in the expression? We also need to emphasize on the fact that we need to improve ourselves when we are at the student level. It is again equally important that we can improve it in your industrial or in your other careers, but at the same time being a student will be a great opportunity to improve your all three-dimensional kind of a development. So communication plays a very equally important role. At the same time, your attitude, your positivity, the thought you are creating like a critical thinking, or at the same time whether you are depending on something called as a decision maker or you are following someone's decision. So we need to differentiate between these two, three or different kind of a terms. If you see currently, mental health is the one area everyone is looking for, or health in personal I would say. So why it is important now? So if someone is asking you plus 1 lakh package and someone is asking you 5 days working, so from my perspective, my own opinion, I would go with the 5 days working, because I need some 2 days of a time for my family or for my own. It may be my development or it may be my hobbies I would say. So also take care that you are enjoying your life, not only you are just running behind the competition. Do a competition with yourself, not with others. I can say, there were many examples in my life. You can also refer my LinkedIn profile, how many achievements I have done in my profile. So that is not important. At the same time, we also need to have a mental peace. We also equally grow with respect to your personal life, the social life, what we are doing. If something is getting you in free, for example, I can quote like a Facebook or WhatsApp or a YouTube, I would say. So try to understand the fact that in something is free, that means you are the product. That particular company, organization or the thought process, they are growing on yourself. There is no other source for them. Means you are the source too late. You can start at any point of time. So at the time, meanwhile, I got an opportunity to complete my MBA also, that I have done. And if I want to conclude this session, what I have done, so I have done my M.Pharmacy from university campus. Then I joined Oka Research Center in Aurangabad. After that, I moved to the MQR Pune R&D. Then after that, one of the India's best organization, Dr. Reddy's, I moved in the IPDO, that is R&D of Dr. Reddy's. And then I got an opportunity to work with Novartis. Now if you see this 4 organizations, I am currently working with Novartis as a senior scientist. And by role, I am an analytical expert, where I am handling a team. So if you see, out of these 4 organizations, there was only one organization, that is MQR, where I worked when there is like a 6-day working was there. So I left that organization within a 1.5 months, 5 years only. So what was the reason is like I also want to give myself a time, not only just working for the organization. See, in the industrial, the time you are working and you are giving the productivity, you are equally important. But remember that you can be replaced by anyone at any point of time. So develop your friends, develop your circle, and at the same time ensure that you are enjoying your life. So I am currently working with Novartis from last 6 years, and in the initial 5 years I have changed 3 companies. So now I felt like one of the greatest organizations in the, with respect to all the technical aspects, or maybe the exposure you want to have, or maybe the economical front, there is no issue actually. And when it comes to your other factors like your behavioral point of view, Means if you start working with the organization like this, you will be grown from all perspectives. And I have a daughter. I am living with my parents. I feel very happy that still I am living with my parents. And I have a baby. My wife also wants to come, but she is pregnant actually, so she could not join here. She is a M Pharmacy in pharmaceutics, and she is working with Novartis, but she is at corporate office. So with this, at last I would like to give my super thanks to the organization, or maybe the Sivalingeshwar College of Pharmacy, I would say, that giving me this opportunity to talk something, and at the same time they have helped me a lot when I was a student. I can't forget. But why I explain all these things is like, even the situations are not good from other perspective, you can still develop. So with this, with a great gratitude to the Sivalingeshwar College of different kind of pleasure to be always here. Whenever I was here, I am always following whatever the social media quotes are there from our particular schools. I am working for many organizations, including NIPER, as a mock interviewer. So one request I would say is like, create a kind of a mock interview as an option for the students, those who are just passing it out. Because theoretical concepts, definitely it's required, but at the same time they will ask something different which is not in our syllabus. So I would request the committee, or maybe the it's like placement committee, I would say, that create a kind of a team which will help the associate, those who wants to go in any area. Like we have many alumni, you can see, like there is many students available, that at least they will go for 50 or 30 minutes of an interview as a mock interview. They will get a kind of a confidence and they will perform well in an interview. So with this particular suggestion, I would like to stop here. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.